Hello friends, I'm Kim Passable. I'm a transgender woman and we can do anything. Welcome to my bike shop. Today we're working on my van and I have the rocker panel, me measuring up and cutting this piece, which is now mostly ready. So there's lots of parts of the video. I'm trying to cut it up into sections so you can maybe skip ahead if you like to just watch me work. But this metal panel is going to slip underneath, and then I'm going to put screws through. And so then I'm going to have to put putty. So the heads of the screws are going to be like, I got to get rid of them if I want it to look nice, which I kind of do. So I'm going to use my bender, and I'm going to bend back and then forward so that there's a lip. So when I put putty over it, I can sand down and it will be flat. If not, I'm going to have to use pliers. And that's maybe, let's see. I'm going to give it a try. Not a bit. Not even good at all. Poop. I'm going to use a wrench. Just going to use a regular wrench. I'm going to bend it in, and then I'm going to bend it back out. So it's extra tight. Yeah. Let's see. Ta-da! Check it. Check it out. Door. It ain't perfect, but it's there. Now we need to put screws in all of this. Get them in there tight. Maybe we could just walk it in. One screw at a time. Waka, waka, waka. Waka, waka. Goes back and tighten them. Like having a really heated space. You can talk, I don't care, no one's listening, but I just want you to know. Yeah. She was like, don't record without letting me know. I was like,
oh, it looks fucking awesome.
Thank you. I'll take compliments, especially on film.
But, video there.
Right, I'm just gonna do a fast forward and me going zzz, zzz,
yeah, it looks, but it looks really tight and fine and like, you know, yeah, it's not fucking going.
Yeah, and then, see, I bent this in. This isn't a real seam. I bent it in and then bent it back out, so when I take the putty and just go like this, all the screw heads will be gone.
Yeah, nice. It looks good.
I use a half a gallon of putty, but
No.
screw it. Thank you. I'm sick of laying on the ground.
Yeah, it's chilly, huh?
But I'm just too lazy. I just want to get this done. I made a video. The person who had it before me, they literally took a piece of old aluminum gutter
A gutter.
and put like 3 pop rivets on it. It was like flapping. He was like, "That's
so funny.
that's a no." And I was like,
I was like, oh my god.
I'm like, "Yeah, you're right." I was like, "Are you sure?" And he was like, "I ain't putting a sticker on it." I was like, "Damn it."
She bought this awesome shelving. That's really cool.
And every once in a while. Thank you so much for coming to my bike shed today. There's the work on my van. She's looking much more. She's good. Like she sound like give her a bang, and she's nice and solid, and that feels good. I've got some metal to work with. There was just a hole there at the corner of the thing, so there's no hole. And the next step for that is putty, but I do need to do some more work over in the back. In front of the back wheel, but that's like a much more isolated place to work. There's some more stuff that's even less interesting, but maybe you really will like coming up. So check the chapters down in the video sort of progress bar and pick where you like to watch. And thank you so much. As always, I have been Kim Passable, and I'll see you soon. Sorry now. No, we don't know. Got some tools. I'm ready to go. So we're gonna do a quick top and measure. Got my marker. We want about that much. About okay. Rough cutting. What we want. Back to the basement. Got the shears down there. I'm not using this. No. Let's make this A little bit straight for us. Nice cut. And then let's make. Okay. Go. Right now. All right, here's our piece. Ready to go, maybe. I don't know about that. We'll fix that in post. We use some putty on that.